The law, as you passed it, says an appellate appeal either from a magistrate's court or from a high court to the court of appeal or from a court of appeal to the Supreme Court binds this assembly. Now the burden on the governor is on number 4. That whoever alleges, a member alleging that a matter is sub judice, shall provide evidence to show that paragraph 2 and 3 are applicable. We shall table all the cases that are alive in court, and those cases are touching all the 7 counts that the governor is facing. That in itself, in the question of law, is a preliminary objection on the question of law. Once that question is determined, I'll pack to leave to Nyamira, or I'll continue with the submission. Because if a question of law has been raised, a preliminary objection of law, that these proceedings, there is no jurisdiction to entertain this matter. Because the matters are active in a court of law. Then we reconstitute ourselves and close our ears and close our eyes and see a good case you have against the governor being thrown out at technicalities. Reconsider and let the matters be determined, that those matters that are in the High Court, let those matters in the magistrate's courts be determined, let those matters in the Court of Appeal be determined, bring a proper motion, remove your governor, because that is your right. It cannot be taken away by anybody. It is protected by 55 million Kenyans who passed the Constitution on the 27th of August 2010. It goes further and says in paragraph 5, notwithstanding the standing order, the Speaker may allow reference to a matter before the House or a committee. The Speaker can only have a reference or a citation. So the question I'm pushing ahead, and my colleagues are pushing, is how did this motion of impeachment pass the threshold for it to be in the order paper as a subject of discussion? It was an error, and we simply agree that that error is not fatal. We stop this matter until when the law allows you to remove the governor. It is your right. I'm telling you, it is your right. Some of the matters my good friend Mutuma will raise are filed by the assembly. Can we move one step further? Second question. The question about public participation. A report has been tabled. A report has been tabled. When you look at the standing order 68, look at it. Standing order 68. It says the accused person needs to be given at least